Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage business intelligence with Tableau, full guide step by step clearly. First, launch Tableau and connect to your data source. Select the type of connection you want to establish, such as a file or server. Once connected, import your data into Tableau's workspace. Navigate to the data pane to preview your data fields. Drag and drop the relevant dimensions and measures onto the canvas to start building your visualization. Utilize the Show Me panel to explore different chart types that best represent your data. Customize your visualization by adjusting colors, labels, and tooltips for clarity. Incorporate filters to refine your data display, allowing users to focus on specific subsets. Explore the Analytics tab to add reference lines, trend lines, or forecasts for deeper insights. Create dashboards by combining multiple visualizations into a single interface. Add interactivity by utilizing actions, allowing users to drill down or filter data across different views. Ensure that your dashboard is user-friendly by resizing and organizing the components logically. Use the presentation mode to evaluate how your dashboard will appear to end users. Publish your dashboard to Tableau Server or Tableau Online for easy access and sharing. Set up permissions for different user groups, controlling who can view or edit your dashboards. Schedule regular data refreshes to ensure your dashboards always display the most current information. Gather feedback from users to make necessary improvements and adjustments. Continuously monitor your dashboards to analyze performance metrics and user engagement. Stay updated with Tableau's new features and best practices for ongoing improvement. By following these steps, you can effectively manage business intelligence with Tableau. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.